Welcome friends to a new session on molecular biology. In this session, we will discuss RNA editing. RNA editing altering the information of mRNA molecules. Let us first see about RNA editing. According to the central dogma of molecular biology, genetic information flows from DNA to RNA to proteins during gene expression. Normally, the genetic information is not altered in the mRNA intermediary. The phenomenon of RNA editing was discovered in mid-1980s by molecular biologists and made some observations, particularly in the mitochondrial genes of Leishmania, which cause Kala-Azar, and Trypanosoma, which cause African sleeping sickness. The observations are: 1. Several genes having mutations which were supposed to render these genes inactive due to loss of start signals or origin of premature stop signals were still active. 2. The sequences of mRNA molecules in several cases could not have been derived from the DNA sequence of the corresponding genes. These observations were later explained by the phenomenon RNA editing, which includes the addition of up to 550 and deletion of up to 41 uridine residues. RNA editing is relatively rare and common forms of RNA processing such as splicing, 5' capping and 3' polyadenylation are not usually included as editing. The RNA editing events include insertion, deletion and base substitution of nucleotides within the edited RNA molecule. Any process other than splicing results in a change in the sequence of a RNA transcript such that it differs from the sequence of the DNA template. It was shown that RNA editing mainly involved addition and deletion of uridines or insertion of cytidines, and that these changes took place at very specific sites and not randomly. In Trypanosoma and Leishmania, kDNA is best known as a giant network of thousands of catenated circular DNAs. The kDNA circles are of two types, maxi circles and mini circles. Maxi circles usually range from 20 to 40 kilobase depending on the species and are present in a few dozen identical copies per network. Mini circles present in several thousand copies per network are usually nearly identical in size, but are heterogeneous in sequence. Maxi circles encode typical mitochondrial gene products such as rRNAs and subunits of respiratory chain complexes, but remarkably some of the protein coding genes are encrypted. To generate functional mRNAs, the cryptic maxi circle transcripts undergo post-transcriptional modification via an intricate RNA editing process that involves insertion and deletion of uridine residues at specific sites in the transcripts. The genetic information for editing is provided by guide RNAs, that is gRNAs, that are mostly encoded by mini circles, although a few are encoded by maxi circles. In Trypanosoma, the kinetoplast DNA kDNA network contains 5 to 20 into 10 to the power of 3 catenated mini circles ranging from 0.8 to 2.5 kilobase and 20 to 50 catenated maxi circles ranging from 23 to 36 kilobase. Maxi circle is 20 to 40 kb and the functional homologue of mitochondrial DNA. It contains regions encoding rRNAs and subunits of respiratory complexes and variable region non-transcribed. Mini circle is 0.5 to 2.5 kb and encodes the guide RNAs. This RNA apparently carried information for the insertions and deletions of uridine and was therefore called guide RNA. It was also shown that tails consisting of strings of uridine nucleotides are added to the guide RNA and become the source of uridines inserted in mRNA. Later, parallelism between RNA editing done by guide RNA and self-splicing of introns in hnRNA done by ribozymes was demonstrated by Thomas Robert Cech. He was the person who shared 1989 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Sidney Altman for their discovery of the catalytic properties of RNA.